Hello, my name is Daniel Sarena. I'm gonna show you my Arduino project that is called Detecting Obstacles and Warning. Okay, for the instruments that I'm gonna use for this to work is the Arduino port, the regular one that we all use. This is an ultrasonic sensor. This is a buzzer. I added a LED to give it like more light, and these 6 cables to connect and give the directions for everything here. To demonstrate how it works, I have one here already built. As you can see, everything is connected. Here I have the ground connected to the ultrasonic buzzer, to the breadboard, and in 5V, so everything is well connected. I'm gonna show you how it works. For this project, you have to choose the distance. So the regular distance is 0.5 meters, but I thought that was too much, so I changed it for 0.10 to demonstrate easier. So if I have my hand here, as you can see, I'm too far away, it's not doing anything. But whenever I go closer, it is supposed to make a noise and light up the LED. So I'm gonna show you right now. If I get closer, between the range of 0.10 meters, sorry, it starts to work. It starts doing a noise and the light. So this is how it works. Whenever I'm close, the sensor captures my hand and it sends the warning. Okay, for the code I'm using, I did it on school because in my computer I don't have the Arduino app. So I'm gonna show you right now the code. I have it on MATLAB just to show you what the code looks like and explain it to you a little bit. What I'm doing with the code. So here is the code. As you can see, for the beginning, it's a small code. It's just some lines. For the initial part here is where I'm defining the pins for ultrasonic and the buzzer in this board. Then for the next part, we need a void loop. Then I'm gonna trick the pin here for the trick pin, so it can have the pulses output. Then the echo pin is gonna be an input to get pulse weight. Then the buzz pin, which is gonna be output to control the buzzering. Then for the next part, another void loop. Then here I'm gonna define what is gonna be the duration and the distance. Okay, here first I'm gonna initiate the duration and distance. The duration will be the input pulse. Width and distance will be the distance to the obstacle in centimeters. Okay, the output pulse with 1 meter's width on trick pin. That's what I'm doing here. Then for the last part, before the last part here, I'm gonna measure the input in echo pin. And then here I'm gonna choose the distance. Well, I'm not choosing the distance here, I'm just defining it. So the distance is gonna be half the duration divided by 29.1. That's what I'm doing here. And then for the last part is just an if statement where I'm gonna say if the distance is less or equal than 10, or if the distance is greater or equal than 0. So what it's gonna do, when it's true, the buzz pin is gonna make the noise right here, or else, like if it's not true, it's not gonna do anything. The digital wire is gonna be loud, so it's not gonna be down buzz. It's not gonna do anything. And for the delay, I have it on 60. That is just 16 milliseconds, so it's not gonna take long. So it's gonna be just right away. I'm gonna show you one more time before I finish how it works. And that's it.